Hello everybody to lesson 15 of HTML5 Deep Understanding course. Today we will understand an image tag in HTML. We'll know something about it. Okay, first of all, how we write the HTML tag. We write image like that and the closing tag. Then we have some important attribute which is src, which we print the URL of the image. Now we have the URL of image, even if it's in another server, for example www.google.com, I don't know what, then the URL in which place you have saved the image. Then here we have the size. You could define the size that you want. If you print the image as it is, it will be so large. So we will see now what we have. Look at the image, it's so large, but we could identify its width and size and height. That means the width, which would be, for example, 3 pixels. The height would be also, for example, 300 pixels. We'll save it. There's a mistake here. Save and reload the page. The image will be resized. Great. The second thing, we could use the image as a link that we have learned in the previous lesson. Only add e and href to which place, for example, for google.com, and it be added. We add this at the end, and now it's the image is like the URL. Look, has been the mouse cursor changed to a hand, means this is a link. So it's great. The second, we will learn the image as background. We could see the image like as a background. For example, here in the body we could see style, and we could set a background for that. We will save it now. We have here nothing in our style in our HTML file, but we could add a style. Okay, background image, background image. The background image could be changed to the URL now. We write and the name of the image, for example, HTML. The name of the image in any place it is. For example, here in our case we have HTML -for -deep understanding.png, which I has write it from here. This was the image, HTML for deep understanding.png. I will save it and let's reload. We have here semicolon. After that, finished. I mean, is there any error? Yes, I think some error. Okay, yes, there's no double quotation, only we write it directly. We'll save, reload. Doesn't work. Let's add the quotation and see how does it work or not. Doesn't work. He doesn't define that one. HTML, yes, now he define it. Save. If you should notice that if you missed a little character or uppercase or lowercase, it will not work. So you should be careful. Save it and reload it. It will work. And this is the background. So the background now is as it's as this image. So the image now is like the background. You could add here the content. For example, I will add header h1, and I will say this is content, means the content goes here, there. Fresh, look, the content comes here, so it's over the background. It's wonderful, by the way. So this was the lesson of today. We have learned the HTML as the HTML image as a link and as background. We could identify also the size from here. It's enough for this lesson, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.